Cash flow combs a user's transactions to identify recurring deposits and payments in order to show your historical and planned future spending. This can help you see the impact of upcoming payments and plan ahead for future expenses. Cash events can be any regular deposit, like a paycheck or rental income, as well as expenses, such as your housing payment, car payment, and other bills. Cash flow will suggest cash events based on your recurring transactions. You can set up cash events as repeating transactions or as one-time occurrences, allowing you to anticipate bills and one-time expenses, such as a holiday or upcoming vehicle maintenance. When the cash event occurs, cash flow can help you match it to the posted transaction, allowing you to effortlessly reconcile planned expenses. With your regular cash events entered, you can see the impact of upcoming payments on the future balance of any individual account or on your finances as a whole.